We're currently in Wahin in the rain, so we better be quick. We're staying in a hotel. We need to do our washing. We're up to the laundry. It's pouring.
It's actually started to pour, which is refreshing, really, because it's been so hot.
It's not pouring, it's just a shower.
Yeah.
Actually quite nice.
So just doing the normal life stuff.
Well, that was unexpected. It's been saying on the weather app all week, thunderstorms and rain, high percentage, and then it never comes. So we see the dark clouds and we're like, we're fine. Because it never actually rains. I'll keep going so I can get this washing in the machine.
Bye.
It's just simply washing machine. Or I put my washing machine. This one's not bad. We have this laundry thing. It makes it easier when you're covered and do your laundry in the hotel rooms and everything, but we're going to put a couple in this big though.
So while Sandy's putting our dirty washing in,
Yeah, that's right.
the system does use a water filtration unit. So there's obviously a very hard water here. So good clean system.
$1.87 I think it was when I put it in my app flashes.
Yep. Senses the wash and off you go.
Yeah.
Yep.
So normally I'll just sit on the step. Sit on the chair that's here. Normally I bring my little cushion, sit on the chair. I listen to my audio. Like, why wash your undies in the shower? When it costs 87 cents to do it. So I've just come back from the laundry with all of the washing and I've hung it out mostly on the balcony, maybe a little bit in the bathroom and wherever it fits around the hotel room. Aaron strung up a bit of rope for me and there it is. I'll show you a piece of equipment that I use all the time. This is not my undies, like yes, my undies are on here, but this is a piece of Velcro along here. Velcro's on, and then it's got all these little pegs on here that I can put things. So that's really good for doing your laundry on the go.